Hello everybody. I'm doing an overview of the Velobuild R-016 frame set that I purchased from Velobuild.com, and I put this bike together a few years ago. It's a lightweight frame set. The frame is approximately 790 grams, and I also purchased the carbon fiber handlebars, stem, headset spacers, and the seat post from them, as well as the seat post collar, which is aluminum. All in all, including shipping, it came out to under $800, and put a Celitalia SLR Superflow seat. This is the wider version, and it is pricey, but it's very comfortable. For the drivetrain, I have an FSA carbon crank on here. It says it's a 50-34 chain rings, but I swapped out the inner ring from a 34 to a 36. And I have time clipless pedals on here. It's the Model 10. And this is pretty smooth. It's pretty easy to clip into, and it's pretty light for the price. For the shifters, most of the components, I have the Dura-Ace 11-speed shifters, front derailleur as well as the rear derailleur. I have I believe it's an 1125 cassette on the back, and I also have some carbon fiber bottle holders on here. The only thing, I did not purchase the Dura-Ace calipers. The Ultegras were considerably cheaper, and the weight difference was minimal, so I went with the Ultegras. For the wheel sets, I have custom wheel sets I purchased from Glory Cycles, and I have to say the staff over there is amazing. I had emailed them, I called them for suggestions and advice, and they were very friendly and offered excellent advice. So give them credit for that. So I purchased these are head Belgium Plus rims with Sapim C X-ray spokes. I have 28 on the front wheel and 28 on the back, and they're all laced 2-cross. And I have the hubs on the front and rear of the Chris Kings R45s with stainless steel bearings. And the tires I have on here are Continental Grand Prix 4000 second generation, and these are pretty good. They're very comfortable, and rubber is very grippy on these compared to what I usually have on my bike. And I have stainless steel skewers on these, the front and the back, save some weight. And also I put in latex inner tubes on these to save some weight. And the overall weight of this bike, minus the cycle computer and the top peak mount here, came out to about 15.2 pounds. So it's not too heavy, it's not too light. Kind of comes out somewhere in between. So it's a very comfortable bike, solid, lightweight. I took it on a 100-mile ride last year, and I have to say it was amazing. It was comfortable after the ride. The only thing that was hurting was my neck and shoulders, which I wasn't so used to it, but the seat was great, very comfortable, and that's it. If you have any comments, suggestions, or questions, please post them in the comment section below. Thank you.